Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what's in this lovely padded envelope. See if I can get it open without cutting anything else. It's really thick. I like the padded envelopes though. They're awesome. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. All right. Get this out of here. Hang on. All right. We have 2 stamped cross-stitch kits. We're going to take the crinkly one first. Now, this comes from the BiggestCraft store. And if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, I'll put them right in here and in the description box below. So we're going to go with the crinkly one first, if I can get it up there. And this one is called Winter Scene Town. It's a 50 by 50. It's a issue. And it was $11.99. So let me get this out of this crinkly bag. All right, I am back. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. We got stars, we got houses, we got snow. This is going to be perfect. I don't believe I'm going to start this today. I'm going to wait until next weekend for the winter Saturday stitching. But very nicely printed. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. And let's open it up. We have 40 colors. It is 190 stitches wide by 190 stitches high. And it looks like it's going to have a little bit of confetti, but it does have bigger rivers of color. So that's good. I'll hold that. It's very nice, very easy to see. No smudging, no smearing, nothing. It's awesome. Okay, what colors? We have no 310 black. No 550 purple. We do have 498, which is a brick red. And we have 823 and 939. Both of those are dark blue. So I'm assuming they're going to be in the background, you know, the sky and the darker parts of the, like the shadows of the snow. Let's see, no 3371. We do have 3770, which is a butter color. And we have 3865, which they're using for the white. It's kind of an off-white. Does come with a toolkit, and we have a little plastic container with 5 needles, a thimble, and a needle threader. Very nice. I'm just going to set that out of our way. And oh, before I go any further, let me turn this around. Want to match number for number. Product number is 9617, 9617. And canvas is 9617. So these threads go with this. Let me get it out of its bag. All right. Very beautiful colors. There's your 939. 823 is in here somewhere. We have golds. We have kind of a burnt orange. And a little bit of baby blue. We have some beautiful, like, royal blue there. Some darker brown, but it's not 3371. This dark red is 498. Just absolutely beautiful. Want to see? Nope, that's 918 and 917. I didn't think it was 995 and 996, but you can tell the difference there. Beautiful, beautiful blues. There's your 3865. I like that darker teal. Isn't that gorgeous? 3842. Huh. I like teals, turquoises, any shade of blue practically. But beautiful, beautiful colors, nice and soft. So Very, very nice. Like that. Let me get this back in its bag, just so I know it goes with that kit. I'll probably put this whole thing right back into the plastic bag that it came from, because it's not that big of a kit. And I'm still waiting for Amazon to deliver my big bags. I need some of the next size down as well, so got to get some of those. Let's measure this while we have it out. It is serged all the way around except for on the side I started with the tape measure, and I'll show you why. It is 9 3/4 inches, or 50.5 centimeters by 50 centimeters, or 19 3/4, maybe a little under it. Actual picture size is almost 44 centimeters, or 17 1/4 inches by about the same. Yep, 44 and 17 1/4. So very nicely done. And I'll show you this side here. Give me a sec. This always has a it needs a little thing, you know, you just push a button, it goes shoop, and it, yeah, no. This has to be hand done. So, like I said, it's serged all the way around except for this edge, and it does have a salvage edge that runs along here, but I haven't had problems with that fraying. Very nice key. Very easy to see numbers. They use a very thin thread so you can still see all the numbers, because you're looking for numbers with the thread tabs. So, very nice. Very nicely done. I really like this one, and it's not too big. It's perfect lap size, but very well printed, and nice big symbols. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can, but very nice, just very nice. Now, you know, this is typical Lora fashion. So, you remember that kit? Yeah, I know you're all going, okay, lady, you've opened about 10,000 things in 5 years. So, yeah. No, this is the Christmas room. And it is 45 by 54, $12.99. So, yeah, I love this so much that I forgot I got it from somebody else as well. But we'll review it just the same. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely stunning. Just love it. I've only gotten about that much done of it. Yeah. Because I started in that green tree. And there's like 2 to 3 different colors right there. But it's such a beautiful picture. And this is much bigger than the one that we got from either Houlihan or Yishu. It could have been DIY. I think it was DIY. Yeah, because I still got the paper, you know, paper picture that came with it. Now this has this symbols, and let me look, see if I'm not seeing anything. And see if I missed anything. Nope. So it only has one set of symbols. It has 60 colors. There are 9 pages to this booklet. On the last one, the paper pattern will match the canvas. On this, it does not match. So all these symbols go for this paper pattern. But we have 154, which is mulberry, no 310 black. This only has full cross stitch, no back stitch, nothing. It's such a beautiful kit, very well done. It is, in my book, it's a little bit bigger than the last one that we opened. No 321 red. Let's see. No 823, no 939, no 3371. Yeah, they're using a crew and B5200 for white. But it's just a beautiful kit. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. Very well printed. Like I said, straight stitch. No back stitch, no half stitch, nothing. Just straight cross stitch. And I may keep it out throughout the year. I don't know. I haven't gotten that far. I did buy another, what do you call it, storage bin the other day. So, yeah, some things need to find a home. Not a home, but, you know, a place other than my front room. So it does come with the lovely thread card. You have your product number right here. I know it's upside down. Then you have the red numbers are how many strands of each you have. Then you have a DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. But just gorgeous, gorgeous colors in this. It's just absolutely stunning, stunning colors. They did such a lovely job. And if I didn't say it, this is 14 count. So, and it's very, very nice. Browns, oranges, just a wide array. I don't even see, are there purples? There's no purple. So you got pinks, oranges, blues, yellows, kind of a dark olive green in this. So very nice. Just very, very nice. Let me put that up there and the package thing. And I will show you the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. I have to figure out which way's which. So this one kind of goes up and down skinny wise. It is 200 stitches wide by 283 long. But very nicely done. Very easy to see symbols. So if you want something on a cold winter day, just stitch, you know, just stitch. And nice big huge key runs along this side and across the bottom. So very well done. I love this pattern. I really do. I loved it when it was even in the smaller version, but this, there's so much shading and detail to this. It's just amazing. We have 59 centimeters, or almost 23¼ inches by 44½ centimeters, or 17½ inches. The actual picture size is 14½ inches, or a little over 36½ centimeters by, I'm trying, if I can get everybody to lay straight, 20¼ inches, or 51½ centimeters. So, nice big size, nice straight stitching, easy to see symbols. It hits the mark for everything that I love about cross stitch. That, you know, I don't want to have to work at it really hard. Or is that a half cross stitch? Or what is that symbol? No, it just doesn't usually happen with Joy Sunday. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for these two gorgeous, gorgeous kits. I love them both. Now, they do have diamond painting. Let me look. I can't remember. They don't have diamond painting. They have only stitch things. I knew that was wrong when I said it. But they do have lots of tools and crafts. And I believe they have beaded cross stitch and silk cross stitch now. So they always have a wide variety, great prices, great sales, always. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.